Model, 64-plate Vauxhall Combo 2000 L1H11.3 Cdti Sportive engine knocking no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 110318. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a nog. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing, no VAT to pay. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been